20 fingers! Grayson! Scary monster! Whoa, no! That is so rude. Yeah! Come here! Grandma. Hey! It's a dino! Grandma! I'm over it. Son of a spanky! What? Scandal!
I have a video of you singing in the shower with Ethan also in the shower, harmonizing with you.
We were not. We had bathing suits on. You little bitch! You little bitch!
You love sharing drinks with people. You love.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got these thoughts in my head. Ain't no
Don't do cocaine! Hey! Cocaine ruin your brain! What? Please don't do cocaine! Please don't do cocaine!
I'm not even kidding. There's the biggest freaking bug. It was on my phone screen.
Hitting it.
Thank God.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
Ow!
Wow, I love this question. Ready?
Raindrops, drop top.
Grayson is wearing a crop top.
Raindrops, drop top.
Grayson is wearing a crop top.
Raindrops, drop top.
Grayson is wearing a crop top.
Raindrops, drop top.
Grayson is wearing a crop top.
Raindrops, drop top.
Grayson is wearing a crop top.
Voice.
It's a dino! Comedy. Get me a Tish! Son of a spanky!
I don't give a. I don't give a. I don't give a.
I left it in there charging, ass clown.
Bicycle seat, face ass. 10 and boobies.
Scary monster!
Siri, watch your profanity.
And it's a million cheese balls, bitch.
The revolving door.
It's off! It's gone! It's out!
Want some Swedish pie?
Ethan's going first because he's my bitch. Deal with it. 20 fingers!
Road trip, bitches!
This is insane!
Armpit mustard.
Who is he? That's Fidgeman.
You little bitch!
It's a baby pineapple!
I don't give a crud about my hater as long as my biscuits love me. Spell avocado! Oh wait. 6-year-old fish. Purity ring wearing teenager. E.T. Weetie.
I look like a turkey sausage!
I think it's saying that we're the same person, and I'm kind of offended.
Your boy knows a good apple cream soda when he drinks one.
A is for
Ass clown.
B is for
Bitch.
C is for
I pet them?
D is for
Deal with it.
E is for
Ethan!
F is for
Fingers!
G is for
Grayson? Grayson?
H is for
Comedy.
I is for
Love it when you call me daddy.
J is for
Jingle balls.
K is for
Kiss the kid on the lips.
L is for
Lick, lick, lick. I want to eat.
M is for
My nipples are shot.
N is for
Oh, it's the phone!
O is for
Oh,
Santa Claus is coming. Dude, I'm so bad at videos by myself. I'm not sure how to do this video by myself. I get a little nervous. What's up, guys? You can see I'm here at Santa's gift wrapping station. Everything I'm saying is so cheesy. Alright, I'm just gonna be cool. Alright, you know, as you can see, I'm here at my wrapping station. That was even worse. That's pretty good.
What's up, Ethan? You just got
Ranked. Gotcha, bitch. Ho ho ho, mother. Ho ho ho, mother.
What if I'm the monster that's been here all along? So what if I'm the monster that's been here all along? So what if I'm the monster that's been here all along? So what if I'm the monster?
Oh my gosh. I love this. Grandma! We're on our way to the mall!
Just on my way to pick up your girl.
Why am I thimble?
Wow! Wow!
Look at yeah. Is that what we're gonna do?
Ethan, what are you doing?